Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Mazda CX-5 Carbon Edition Turbo in polymetal gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7219.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.